And now we're done. We're officially done. Look at my outfit. Super cute. Tell me one last show before we go to the... It's 5:36, so we're like 5 minutes a little late. Okay, bye. Okay, let's... In this little baby sock, Tommy got $200, and it was basically a board that they all got to choose from, and he got $200. That was awesome. We are officially done. Sorry, I'm a little, a little bit, but feeling really good. And but I'm walking right now to the room. Which way is it, babe? Wow, so pretty. Look at this. Oh, damn. I'm a little bit shaky because I honestly can't. My heels. Look at how pretty. We are done. I'm gonna go back to the room. Oh, somebody left their trash. The room. Pretty. I just love this cardigan walls, right? I'm coming. I'm gonna go to the pool right now, or try to. So we're right now gonna go to the pool. To the pool we go. Girl, not lazy.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Go, go!
Must be something that feeds her.
Sammy jumped in. I would have caught that. Just enjoying themselves. Tommy's sitting there enjoying. London. The dogs are out. So cute. I love it. The kids want to show us the cave, so look at this. happiness found obviously is in there. Look at that. You don't tell me this isn't nice. Time is over. It's time to get some food. Everybody's all like, what? What a day, huh? Did you guys have fun? Yeah. Baby, what are we getting right now? We ended up ordering some Mickey D's for the kids. Oh my god. Just ordered some Mickey D's for the kids. Tommy's like right there. And the kids are all over there, but see, right now, I just got a little McChicken and some fries because the food that they had there was like super healthy and it was great, but I don't know. I'm needing a little bit more. PJ's on. It's like really dark, so. But got my oldie but goodie Victoria's Secret pajamas. Okay, let's eat that good stuff.
The next day.
Honey.
It's a little cloudy. Let me see. I guess I didn't show the nighttime view, but it's morning. Oh, my battery's dying. Let me change. All right. Took a shower, cleaned up the room, and all the stuff is packed already. About to make some coffee. I need some coffee quickly. My outfit. Nothing crazy, nothing big. Just being a little. Oh, is the lighting even? Wait a second. Better. Okay, so just wearing one of my little runway shirts, oversized, as always. This is like one of my favorites. And these are actually also either Shein or runway. These shorts are super comfy. They're not too short and they're not too big. You know what I mean? Like tight or whatever. Let's make some coffee though. So this is the dark black coffee that is the only option, obviously, for the Keurig. But it's actually not that bad. Everybody ended up leaving because Tommy wants to see if he can get some better coffee. And honestly, I'm just finishing up cleaning all of the other stuff. So for now, I'm just gonna be having like basically like a shot of coffee. Overall, this whole trip, I know I look like a complete hot mess, but this whole trip, like with the company party and just staying, everything was absolutely just nice, man. Just finished getting ready. You know, I was looking at this. I love how the hotels always have these mirrors here, but this one, not only you can see, you know, your brain of how close it gets, but it has like little modes, I think. See, if you keep your finger on here, the sensor, so it has like different lightings. And then if you forget to turn it off, it'll just turn off on its own. Some hair, do some hair. I'm gonna put away my toothbrush and makeup palette and stuff, but we're pretty much done. It is currently 8:26 checkout time, but damn, this is like mad liquidy. Just gonna plop it on my head. So, oh my gosh, I'm just becoming a freaking dropping everything. I just really enjoy this time of the holidays. It's always so great because, you know, it's kind of like everybody's forced to be together, even though we are, but you know, it's kind of like, okay, let's get together. Packed up, but I still have like my makeup stuff right here. And oh, the dogs are out. To share really quick the coffee, what it looked like. I have not drunk it. It was a caramel crunch frappuccino, but oh my gosh, Tommy! Can you believe I didn't notice it right now? But yeah, I'm just about to give it a little quick taste. What did you think of it? It's good. Oh my gosh. straight up like sugar.
Like a mala.
Yeah. See, one thing that I've come to realize about coffee is that I really like it strong now. And I think it just came with us getting older. But this is good, not bad. Oh, I gotta shake it up a little bit. That's why, baby, the thing is all the way at the bottom. Anyway, which one is it? Which one is gonna open? I don't know. You sure? You sure it's this one? You think it's this one? Wait. I heard it. This one! You love. Let's go. So they have these cute little, see how they have the chairs all set up. People are wanting to get in and it's chilly, but okay.
Who's heated though?
Oh, that's a good thing. It's really bright and look at this. It's a little cloudy, but for what, 10 a.m.? It's nice. They're already pumping the music. Let me show the kids. They're like, kids are enjoying themselves right before we head out. Look at this. That's where we were sitting inside, in here. Look at them. Right there. Okay, so we're gonna get ready to go. I need to edit, baby.
I don't really care what people say.
That's true. This is the kind of towel I need.
It has like a hoodie.
Get out of here. Look at that. Look at the kids and they're going into the jacuzzi. Huh? Yes. You can have a little bit left. Guys, ready? Okay. I know, it's so freaking... Okay, it's time to go. They're having a great time. Come on, let's go, guys. That's beautiful. And then, here's my lover right there. London. Yeah! Goodbye bed, goodbye view, goodbye bathroom, goodbye living room. Thank you, you were fun. A little bit we did get to whatever. I think this concludes this vlog, so I'm gonna close it out now. Thank you so much for watching. This was a great one. I think this is actually one of my favorite ones. I know I still look like a little bit of a hot mess. I haven't had my face, but thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.